Hey everybody, I'm back. As promised, I have box 2 of 2019 Score. Also, if you didn't watch the other video, which is quite long because there's so many base cards, I had stated there that in this break I'm going to skip completely past the base and just show you the inserts, parallels, and hits. So this should be a shorter, maybe hopefully more exciting video. Let's get into it. I'm not even going to do all that talking that I normally do about the box. I'll just quickly tell you it is a substantial box with lots of cards, 10 packs. You're guaranteed 4 autographs, 1 full stamp buyback, and that's it. Ugh, this box is so heavy. Alright, we're going to get right into it because this does take, even just showing you the inserts and parallels will still take a little bit of time. I think I'll pass the rookies up too. I think I probably got most of them in the first box and I covered them all there, so you can go back and watch that video if you'd like to. Oh wow, well we're off to a good start. End zone parallel. Oop, you might actually want to see the card, huh? Oliver Vernon, 5 of 5. So super short print there. Good start. Dwayne Haskins, NFL Draft, Fantasy Stars, McCaffrey, Michael Thomas, Epic's Moment, Drew Brees, Signal Callers. I guess I can show you the rookies. There's Kyler Murray. I like Irv Smith. Alright. Yeah, this is going to be significantly faster. Significantly. I think I said significantly. Alright. There's a ton. All this is base. Alright. Scoreboard, Jamie Collins. Marquise Brown, NFL Draft. Fantasy Stars, Aaron Rodgers. Michael Thomas, All Hands Team. James Conner, Epic's Moment. Then our rookies. McSorley. Alright, that's pack 2. Still waiting on that first auto. Bet we get one here. What you think? Alright, this is our 1 stamped buyback. Bruce Hill. Well, that brings back memories, doesn't it? Then we have, oh, Mack Wilson scorecard. I loved watching him play. A Captain's, Sean Lee. Celebration, Philip Lindsay. Bradley Chubb throwbacks. Drew Brees Epic Season. Rookie cards. Miles Boykin. Alright. Moving on. There's Mack Wilson on the back. Hey Mac. Thank you for your service to our team. Alright. What do we have here? Tyree Jackson, Gold Zone rookie, numbered out of 50. Sweet looking parallel there. Cam Newton. Captains, DeAndre Hopkins, Celebration, I got that in the last box. Lamar Jackson, Signal Callers, Throwbacks, Roquan Smith, Rookie Cards, and there's Mac again. Alright. Oh wait, said we'd get an autograph there and we didn't. We're still waiting. Make room for another stack. Alright, we're starting off with a, wait a minute, didn't I get a Chris Herndon parallel? Was that in this box or the other one? Might have been the other one. I think it's the same card, numbered out of 30. That's weird. Josh Jacobs, that's a good one. Mariota, Captains, Keenan Cole, All Hands Team. Baby Eli, Signal Callers. Greg Jennings Jr., Abram, Anthony Josh Jacobs. Cleveland Farrell, Justice Hill. Alright. Wait, still no autograph? Uh-oh. Oh Lord, this is going to be one of those times where I get shorted. Go ahead and tell me, Panini. Go ahead and let me down. Scorecard, Todd Gurley. Nick Bosa. Sweet. Tom Brady. Jared Goff. Epic Season. Oh, there we go. Ooh, look at that autograph. That's interesting. Rock Ya-Sin. Rock Ya-Sin. Temple. Alright, Paris Campbell. Ripien, there's Rock again. Jacques Patrick. Quinnen Williams. Miles Sanders. CJ Conrad. We are breezing on through. This time, uh-oh, look at that. Crap. I knew it was going to happen to one of these boxes. I'm going to turn it around. There it is. Wah wah. Poop. Ooh, that's nice. Patrick Mahomes, Epic Game. Rodney Anderson, NFL Draft, like throwback type card. Fantasy Stars, Mr. Tom Brady. Philip Lindsay, Scorecard. Rookie Cards, Tyree Jackson, Dwayne Haskins, Trevion Williams, Jalen Smith. Yeah, I was thinking about it when these boxes came in. I thought, you know what? The odds of me getting points for one of these autographs is high. And there it was. Lil Jordan. Hey, Lil Jordan, our friend, Lil Jordan. Lil Jordan, the rapper, Humphrey. Rookie Scorecard. I'm probably going to, if he does anything, I'm going to be his fan just because I like his name. Fantasy Stars, Cam Newton, Kelvin Harmon. All Hands Team, Alejandro Villanueva. Roethlisberger, Signal Callers. Rookie Cards, Weber, Baker, Barnes, Singletary, Nick Bosa, Rodney Anderson, and Devin Bush the second. Alright, there's 2 more packs. And we're looking for 2 more autographs, so there better be autographs in each of these packs. Or else, Panini, don't make me have to put in another claim for more missing hits. Technically, I'm already missing one because you gave me that stupid points card. Alright, where should we start? Right here. Campbell Scorecard. Travis Kelce, Captains. Huddle Up, Detroit Lions. Ezekiel Elliott, Epic's Game. Oh, sweet, a little Alabama autograph. Look at that. Good job signing, Irv. I appreciate you. And even wrote his jersey number 2. Sweet, I like that. Alright, our rookie cards. Jacoby Myers, Jalen Hurd, Ryan Finley, Jake Browning, Wilkins, Allen, Gaskin, and Pratt. Alright, last pack should be another autograph, I hope. And maybe another couple of goodies in here. Let's see. Oh, I see shiny gold. That's never a bad thing. We have, oh, Sony Michel Gold Zone out of 50. Very nice. It's a sweet little card. Captains, Wesley Woodyard, Huddle Up, Patriots, Philip Lindsay, Throwbacks, Case Keenum, Scorecard. Oh my God, are you kidding me? We really are missing an autograph. Oh my gosh. Wow. There's Damian Harris. Man, Panini, you are such a piece of crap sometimes. Wow, they make me so damn mad. Points, and then I'm missing auto. Well, I'll look back through. Obviously, there's a ton of cards here, and if there is an autograph here that I somehow overlooked because I was, you know, trying to make this a faster break, I will definitely come back and let you guys know. But I know where the autos were generally placed back with the inserts, and so I'm highly doubting that it's there, which means I'm gonna have to cut this box up and open some claim and take my own money and mail the stuff in to try to get the missing autograph, and that just freaking stinks. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Hope you take care of yourself, and I'll be back with you soon. Then I've got some older breaks, you know, older products, not shiny brand new stuff coming up. I'm gonna post for you guys, and the next, I think, new release is gonna be Tier 1 baseball in about a little bit over a week. And last time I looked, the pre-order was sold out, but I'm gonna try to look again and see if I can get that. So I'll definitely have at least one box of that for you guys. And that's it. Everybody take care. I'll be back with you soon.